Hey everybody, Jurassic Park or Western Florida? I ask you. I'm just saying, the Velociraptors come out, I am running. Oh, and I'm watching for them out of the corner of my eye too, because that's how they do it. One of my favorite movie lines ever. Clever girl. Robert Muldoon, my game warden. Yes, indeed. Yep, one of my favorite characters of all time. Well, probably my favorite Jurassic Park character, but also, yes, you know, he gets the good line. So, yeah. Meanwhile, I'm like the female in the movie, Ellie Sattler, like looking at all the plants, and yeah. Because if you drop me into Jurassic Park, that's what I'd be doing. Touching everything. Oh my gosh. All right, put my hands in my pocket now.